make a pass on Wofford, make a little lap traffic, but Cash Lee Croyd, his debut race with Ultra 4 USA here.
What you got there?
It's not what I wanted to be doing on my Saturday morning, but little boy's out here racing. I got to let go. Put in the hard work, keep him going. So here we are.
We got holes here.
Yeah, we got a lot of holes here. We're gonna get him fixed up.
We got her. This is their fix right here with it.
Look at your trip. I thought I was going on vacation.
It ain't well worth the crap because I can't get close enough.
Big man in a red suit. He thinks he's Santa Claus. John thinks he's Santa Claus. Cash, he like John, he's Santa Claus. Anybody ever seen stuff like that? They had some boats going through there holding it together. Hold it together. But look, hey, we do that. We got some new stuff. Look. Hard pipe right there, look. We're ready now. I look good. Sorry, look at everybody looking at me. So I was getting ready for you.
We're just taking notes and
Where's Cash? Yeah, where's Cash? Oh, Cash is working. What are you doing, Trim?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm busy. Blow the dust off button. Woo!
Every single day I feel it. Every single day I feel the pressure. Diamonds in my eyes, I know I'm special. In the gym,
NP, fixing to take off.
You ready, big dog?
Yes, sir.
Where'd you finish at qualifying yesterday?
3rd overall, first in class.
Got your ring and all?
Yes, sir.
got to work in. I'm like check 1, check 2, gonna get these bands now. One does one.
What is going on here?
Old man racing right here. Got the old lady out there.
Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest job. Working like I never knew I'm blessed job.
My tires went down.
What do you need?
Made about 2 pounds, 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds.